Hello everybody, today I have a very special unboxing for you of the iPhone XS. Now this ain't mine, this is for my daddy-o, so there we go. Now you're probably wondering, why didn't Dad just get the iPhone 11? Well, the iPhone X is still up to date anyway, okay? The 11 is totally different. So this is the X range, okay, it's the XS range. Now this is the standard X, I believe, it's not the XS Max. Okay, and this one here is the 64 gig version. Okay, now this one is in gold, apparently. Now, well, Dad's a man, he should get space grey. Well, that was just one mistake he made when he clicked. He obviously didn't pay attention when he clicked it. Okay, but we'll be getting a case for this anyway, so the gold won't be seen. Alright, so there we go. Alright, so there we go. So Dad's going back to an iPhone, which is a good thing. Okay, because the phone he's had previously wasn't an iPhone, and it's not very good. And this is also his first home buttonless iPhone as well, so you'll have to get used to this as well. Used to having no home button, to get used to this swipe up feature, and of course the Face ID scanner. Alright, so I guess we'll open it up. Now, of course, on these newer ones, you just peel this off. We don't have to cut them anymore. Okay, so you just peel the rubbish off. Alright, I'll throw that in the bin. Alright, so now we'll lift the lid off. Okay, so we have designed by Apple in California. This is one of the new features that you tend to get the instructions first. Okay, I find that quite good because it does provide protection for the screen. Alright, so let's take a look and see what we got here. Okay, we should get all the usual. We have our hello. Okay. We have our SIM removal tool. We have our, I think it's our instructions and warranty information, and of course our Apple stickers right there. So there's our SIM removal tool. And I probably will need that because I need to put a SIM card in, which I happen to have right there. Alright, so, and of course these are all your quick start guides. It just shows you how to get it set up and everything, but I'll be setting this up for Daddy-o, so technically I'll just do everything, just transfer all the data from our iCloud account. Alright, so we'll set that there. Here we have the iPhone itself, so we'll lift this up and out. So this is it. On the back here we have our gold finish. It would have been nice if this was the space grey, but it's not. We have our double cameras, okay? We have top and bottom. The iPhone 11 Pro has 3 cameras. We have our quad LED flash. Okay, one thing that we should really get for this is a screen protector, okay, which I don't have, okay, but I'm pretty sure we'll get one for it. We have our buttons on the side. Let's peel this plastic off of here. Okay, this just peels right off. Okay, so there it is. On the bottom we have our lightning connector. On this side here we have our power button. Okay, and there is no headphone jack. Okay, it's one thing we don't get with these new iPhones. Okay, in the box here we get our 5-watt USB-A power plug. Okay, it's very good. Now Dad has a charging block out in the kitchen, so this will just stay in its box. And in the box we also get our ear pods with a lightning connector. And one thing that Apple stopped supplying is the adapter for the old headphones. For some reason they stopped including that. I don't know why, but they just did. Okay, and I do find that is quite annoying. Okay, but for people who wanted to use their old headphones, but that's what they did. And of course we get our USB-A to lightning connector. Okay, so they're very nice. Okay, and we'll probably use this when we'll probably need this because we need an extra lightning connector. So this will probably be the thing that we'll be using. Okay, so the rest of that will probably just stay in there because we probably really don't need it. Okay. All right, so we'll settle this off to the side, and now we'll boot up the phone for the first time. Here we go. You can probably see my head in the reflection of the screen. That just shows how reflective it is. You can probably see my iPad. Alright, so we're greeted with hello. Okay, now with this one here we just need to swipe it up. And of course we want English. We want Australia, so let's see if we can find it right there. So we want Australia, and And I guess while we wait for that, I'll just get rid of some of this rubbish. The SIM card this iPhone takes is the nano SIM, and of course we have the quick start setting. Okay, so what we'll need to do is bring it nearby. Okay, but first, well, I'll set that up later, but what we're going to do now is we're going to put the SIM card in. Okay, so we're going to use our SIM removal tool. We're going to open up the SIM card slot. Okay, if I can grab that. And you might notice with this is that it has the gasket around it to make it watertight. So we're going to pop our SIM card in. This is an Optus SIM card, of course. Now we're going to slide it in. All right, now we've got our SIM card installed in there. Okay, so we'll pop this back on here because we actually can reuse that if need be. I'm going to slide this back in there. That's our SIM removal tool. All right, so there we go, and now we've got our service. So we've got 2 bars and of course 4G. So I'll finish setting this up. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the iPhone XS in gold, 64GB, and that'll be it.